Hello, and today we're going to talk about our Royalty Rewards program. Yes, you heard me right. Queen of Styles has a rewards program. Okay, so just take note that you do have to have an account with us. So once you log into your account that you have with us, it's going to take you to this page right here, the screen that you're looking at right here. This is our front page. You guys should already know that because you should have already been on Queen of Style shopping anyway. So once you get to this page, you're going to go to the main menu, which is right here, the three lines in the top right corner. You're going to click on that, click on more, click on my account, wait for it to pop up. Once it pops up, you're going to scroll down and click royalty points right there. All right, once you get into that screen, you're going to see my royalty points right here, and it's going to tell you how many points you have. Now, I just created this account and put some points in there so that I could do this demonstration for you guys. And so I threw in 210 points. Okay. So right here, my royalty points is 210. All right. And then underneath it tells you other ways that you can earn. You know, for every dollar you spend, you earn one royalty point. You can get royalty points from referrals. And if you look underneath, you'll see your referral link. This is your personal referral link that links to your account. So every time you refer someone and you use this link, you'll get points. Okay. You can share this link on Facebook just by clicking the Facebook button, Twitter, and through email. Or you can just copy it and share it with whoever you want to share it with so that you can get your reward points so you can shop with Queen of Styles. Okay. All right. So now that we have that part covered of how to look at it and find it in your account and get your referral link, I'm going to show you how to redeem your points. Okay. So you have to have a minimum of 200 points in order to redeem your points. Okay. So we're going to scroll to the top. What I did was I already have something in my cart so that I can demonstrate to you guys how to use it. So we're going to press on my cart so that it can take me to the checkout page. Once I get to the checkout page, I'm going to go down to where I see my points. Okay, so right here we have the block for the points and a block under the block for the coupons. You know, if you have a coupon, you put your coupon code there, but you guys should already know how to use the coupon code feature. Okay, but the points, you use it the same way. So if you look underneath, it shows you your available points. So you don't always have to go into your account to find out how many points you need. It's always going to remind you at the checkout page. If you have points, it'll be here. It will show you. Okay, so I want to use 200 of my 210 points. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to click on the box, type in 200, click apply points, and it will apply it. There it goes. It would, yeah, there it goes. Now there it goes. Okay, so it'll apply it. And once you check out, it will subtract those points from your account. So then when you go back to log in again and look at your account, you'll see you only have, well, I will see that I only have 10 points left. Okay. So there you have it. I've showed you how to look at it in your account and how to redeem your points. So go ahead and start shopping, you guys, so you can earn those points with Queen of Styles. Bye-bye.